गाइस हम हेलो गाइस माय न्यू व्लॉग हॉर्स में घोड़े में चल रहे हैं बस कैसे गिरोगे अरे भैया ब्रो एक्स्ट्रा फ्रंट ब्रो
नहीं दिल का जहां फीके थे सारे ये लम्हे मेरे
so we got on so guys right now we've just stopped here this place Up, ciao भैया oh my god this is so cool but like it's really been there telling fun I don't know
ओए हमारा आवाज बंद हो हमारा आवाज बंद Go brother, one by one.
One second, girls go.
Sister will go first.
I know, I saw, but then guys, there is this time and our seat woman. Bro only saw Aisha Kaso. ಇಷ್ಟು ಈಸಿಯಾಗಿ 1000 ರೂಪಾಯಿ ಖರ್ಚು ಮಾಡಿದ್ವಿ ವೆರಿ ವೆರಿ ಈಸಿಲಿ ಎಸ್ಪೆಷಲಿ ಮೈ ಡ್ಯಾಡ್ಸ್
ಬೆಂಗಳೂರು ಒಂದೇ ದರ
it's there ಒಂದೇ ದರ ಒಂದೇ ದರ ಗೈಸ್ ನಮ್ಮ ಮನೆಯವರು ಎಲ್ಲ ಬೇಡ ಅಂದ್ಕೊಂಡೆ ಆಚೆ ಅಯ್ಯೋ ಬೇಡ ಅಂದ್ಕೊಂಡೆ 1000 ರೂಪಾಯಿ ಖರ್ಚು ಮಾಡಿಬಿಟ್ರು ಬೇಡ ಅಂದ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು 1000 ರೂಪಾಯಿ
ಏನು ಮಾಡೋಕ್ಕಾಗಲ್ಲ ಬಂದಿದ್ದೀವಿ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಆಸೆಯಿಂದ ಬಂದಿದ್ವಿ
Army camp.
You'll be able to see it now properly. Nodu. ಕೆಳಗಡೆಯಿಂದ ನೋಡು ನೀಟಾಗಿ ಕಾಣಿಸುತ್ತೆ ಈಗ.
From down all the way up. Hill. Guys, mountain. She's saying hill. The hotel is right there. But there's like no turn there, so we have to go all the way there and take U-turn and come back. Guys, after the disappointing dinner, guys, like I thought I'll actually do a video of what we eat, but we didn't get to eat anything. Whole point. It was so bad. The dinner.
It's the same resort which had come. Like,
Same. It's the same Arco.
Sorry.
Guys, look at how big puri they gave me. It's breakfast time, guys. What do you have with puri to eat? So go get it. Sugar is there. What's I got this in that? Yamma here. She's like, my earphones are not my earphones. We thought of editing it up, like the first videos, you know, because we have to edit, right? And she's like, put on earphones, I don't know. She gave her torch full, she on, I had to search here. She's like, I'll search my bag there and I have to search full here. And now she says that we actually stopped for the temple where I and me are not supposed to go. So, we stopped and they go in. She's like, oh, and pocket a little bit.
Then I'll leave my phone with you guys only. Listen to the song.
Anika, idella please. ಐದು ಮುಖ ಇಟ್ಕೊಂಡು ನಮ್ಮದು ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಕ್ಲಿಪ್ಸ್ ಬರೋಕ್ಕಾಗಲ್ಲ ಅಂತ ವಿ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟೋಲ್ಡ್ ಅವರ್ ಬ್ರದರ್ ಆರ್ ಓನ್ ರೆಸ್ಪಾನ್ಸಿಬಲ್ ಬ್ರದರ್ ಟು ಟೇಕ್ ಬ್ಲಾಗ್ ಸೊ ವಿಲ್ ಹೋಪ್ ಸೊ ವಿ ಗೆಟ್ ಮೋರ್ ಕ್ಲಿಪ್ಸ್ ಅಂಡ್ ವಿ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಶೋ ಯು ಹೌಸ್ ಇಟ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಇಟ್ಸ್ ಆ್ಯಕ್ಚುಲಿ ಆ ಕಡೆ ಹೋಗ್ಬೇ ಗಾಡೆಸ್
ಹಿಂಗೆ ಡಬ್ಬ ಅಂತ ಹೊಡಿತಾ ಇದ್ದೀರಾ ಗೈಸ್ ನೋಡಿ ಗೈಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲ ನಿನ್ನೆ ಮೊನ್ನೆಯಿಂದ ನನ್ನ ಸ್ಪೆಕ್ಸ್ ಹೊಡೆದು ನನ್ನ ನೋಸೆಲ್ಲ ನೋತಿದೆ 2 ದಿನದಿಂದ. She wants me to wear this specs, but specs is looking like content for me.
Same, but different.
It's looking good only. Girl, it is fashion, girl.
Look at the sides, guys. Look at that. Look at that.
Yes. So guys,
Today is day 6 actually. These are outfits.
Wow! Beautiful!
the way it's very casually showing the outfit.
Anyways,
Today we're going to Shankaracharya temple or something.
Yeah.
Guys, I don't know about
Shankaracharya
because that's what my father told us.
he gave us a full detailed explanation.
Who is that?
Yeah, while we were eating breakfast.
It
Because
was
we
nice
asked
to
him.
know the information. What did he say?
Good question. You are a good question.
He told that he's the only person in the world who, like, you know, put the whole circle walked in his barefoot the whole world, in the whole world, through the on I don't know, bro. I'm sad, but I don't know.
Sorry, I don't know.
Anyways. ಸಾಲಿನಲ್ಲಿ ಮೂಡಿದ ಪ್ರಾಣದಂತೆ ಶೀತಲವ.
Bro, why does he like this our driver? I'll show you our driver's face, guys. But let's react to this first. Bro, what the hell? All these memes he's used.
Oh my god, he's singing all the famous songs.
I never knew that girl would get famous like this. That too in Kashmir.
ಕಾಶ್ಮೀರಲ್ಲೂ ಬಂದವ್ರೆ.
ಆಗ ಅಕ್ಕ ನಿಮ್ಮ ವಾಯ್ಸ್ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಮಧುರವಾದ ಸಿಂಗಿಂಗನ್ನು ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಬೀಟ್ಸ್ ಮಾಡಿಕೊಂಡು
ಅಕ್ಕ your voice is come until Kashmir.
ಕಾಶ್ಮೀರ್ವರೆಗೂ ಬಂದಿದೆ.
ಸೊ ಅಕ್ಕ ನೀವು ನೋಡ್ತಿದ್ರೆ
ಸೂಪರ್ ಅಕ್ಕ. ಕಾಶ್ಮೀರ್ವರೆಗೂ ನಮ್ಮ ಕಾಶ್ಮೀರ್ ಅಲ್ಬೇನಿಯಾ ಡ್ರೈವರ್ಗೆ ಬಂದಿದೆ ಅಂದರೆ ಬೀಟ್ಸಲ್ಲಿ. ಅಂಕಲ್ ಜಸ್ಟ್ ಪುಟ್ ಸಮ್ ಬೀಟ್ಸ್ ಅಂಡ್ ನಿಮ್ದು ಬಂದ್ಬಿಡಿದೆ. ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ ಗೆಟಿಂಗ್ ವೈರಲ್. Oh my god, damn bro. Yesterday also he put a Kannada song. Today also he's put
but at least that was nice. I mean,
that was a proper Kannada song.
That was a song.
That was a song. This is a remix of
The viral on Akka plus
another Anna. He stopped it. I hope he doesn't play it again.
ಏನು ಹೇಳಕ್ ಬಂದ್ರೆ ಅದು ಶಂಕರಾಚಾರ್ಯ ಬಗ್ಗೆ again it is.
We go to some monument also. I forgot what was the name. Some chalks.
I guess it's a
So Tulip Garden.
some monument.
Some Mughal garden. That's also same as Tulip Garden.
Yeah, Mughal garden.
Then Shankaracharya thing.
And a monument.
Fourth.
ಈ ಸಾಂಗ್ ಸ್ಟಾಪ್ ಆದ್ಮೇಲೆ ಬೇರೆ ದಿನ ಹೇಳ್ಬೇಕಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಿ.
Because it's genuinely annoying.
ನಿನ್ನೆಯಿಂದ ಅದನ್ನೇ
I know. Literally yesterday he played which song? I forgot the song. We were vibing for a song. Okay. We were vibing for a song and he kept playing that song like some 20 times. And we vibed 20 times also in the last.
The tulip garden, apparently there's no flowers, so it's kind of closed.
Of course, now when they didn't, of course, no flowers. Tulip garden and the flowers ಇರ್ತಾರೆ ನಾವು ಅದಕ್ಕೋಸ್ಕರ ಈ ಥರ ಫ್ಲೋರಲ್ ಫಿಟ್ ಹಾಕೊಂಡಿದ್ರೆ ಸಾವು attitude.
ಅದೇ ಹೇಳಲ್ವಾ something you're really excited for doesn't really work out.
Not every time.
Share ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಗೈಸ್.
So we've taken our equipment here for taking a vlog.
ಇವಾಗ ಎಂಟ್ರಿ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀರಿ. So I guess each ticket costs 30 rupees. Yeah, that's true.
Yeah,
It's so beautiful. Let me show you.
guys, that's how they chop it. Shape ಮಾಡಕ್ಕೆ ನೋಡಿ ಎಲ್ಲ shape ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇದೆಲ್ಲ.
ತುಂಬಾ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿದೆ. Very nicely they maintained.
This looks so good, bro.
Because I'm like that beautiful, you know.
Like they actually give this where you scan and know about it. This is called as Southern Magnolia. This is called this tree.
Because of their mood in ಒಂಥರ irritation ಆಗ್ತದೆ actually.
Irritation ಕಣ್ರಿ.
ಈಗ why are they acting like this instead? Huh?
Go.
He actually had stopped here, but he never thought of dropping us. But then another uncle takes our parents home and he gave us first we go to the Chashma. And this person, okay, he talked to him and then he was telling the person that जो कहते हैं YouTubers है This is forest department.
Really, I forgot its name. Lashram, what's its name? Lal.
And guys, another drawback is this smoke like crazy away. This genuinely becomes so annoying.
Like our rooms itself stinks so bad.
Our room, the room that we are gonna stay in, only stinks of smoke.
What's the whole point of ambulance? The whole room is so good and then
It smells like someone has just smoked in there.
even in so in my remember when we entered full my brother every time he entered he used to be like, oh you guys are smoking. Yeah bro.
She said yeah. Anyways guys, so that's another problem. Everywhere there's just smoking. Guys, guess why she's standing there?
I just told Maya, don't tell that's the monument and you see that's the monument.
We'll show you what the monument is. Freaking, this is the monument it seems. ಇಷ್ಟಕ್ಕೆ ಅಲ್ಲಿಂದ ಇಲ್ಲಿಗೆ ಬಂದ್ರಿ ಏನು ಉಪಯೋಗ? Very nice monument. Very amazing monument.
ಇದರ monuments ಬ್ಯಾಂಗ್ಳೂರಲ್ಲಿ ಕಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ.
Oh, Harini, how was the monument?
Must visit. This should actually be one of the 7 wonders. But it can be the 8th wonder.
Amazing monument, yes. Amazing.
You know the story behind it. You know everything behind it. It's so much meaningful to do there on the street. I mean, it's actually very useful. Like to the shopkeepers, they don't even have to keep a watch in their clock. Like in the shop, they can literally be like,
Time and all you can see here only.
very useful. Story here.
Guys, there were like 50 army people standing in the place we're standing right now. As soon as we all came a photo, they all separated and they all are actually around. It's fully armed. It's fully guarded over here.
And I see some like, super crowd over there. I don't know what's happening. Can we see something?
I don't know.
Go. Okay, so now we're going towards the crowd. I don't know what the crowd is for.
But we actually see that crowd from like past 5 minutes, so we thought we'd go and check it out.
There's people taking video also. What is the crowd for? I see many officers also. What is the crowd for?
Hey, man, we come in here, Zara. Come on, let's go. Guys. Yeah, Darpa. Now, brother.
ಅವ್ರು ಇದ್ರಲ್ಲ ಅವ್ರ ಫೋಟೋ ತಗೊಂಡು ಹೋಗ್ರಿ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಅಲ್ಲಿ
ಯಾರು?
ಮಾತಾಡ್ ಮಾಡ್ರಿ ನೋಡಲ್ಲ ಮಾತಾಡಿ
Come, let's go, actually.
ಇದ್ರಲ್ಲಿ ತಗೋ ಚಿಡಿ
आगे बढ़े, अपनी ऊर्जा का नेगेटिव प्रयोग ना करके वो पॉजिटिव प्रयोग करें और पॉजिटिविटी बहुत अच्छी है। और एक नेगेटिविटी जो ब्रेन में युवाओं में आना, ये भी नशे
Like it's, there's the banner said say no to drugs. We don't know what it is exactly about.
There's so many saints. No.
There's so many police officers. Make sure you're on your phone. They will do Gothilla because you don't know how people are here. There are like so many police officers. So many officers because of that. So
What
that
we
was
could
the
hear
crowd.
only was that say no to drugs and all, and like those positivity is what I heard somewhere else.
Guys, the dude is wearing RCB jersey. RCB! Now we're going in search of milkshake. Fruit shake. This is the second stop.
Call us Arena, whatever it's called. ERINA.
Yes, this is our Oreo. Me and Harini took Oreo.
Can you explain this from Kashmir?
So nice. It looks so nice.
Until now I complain about it. If you're actually coming to Srinagar and you're coming to this place where that monument is, go to this place. It's so good. It's actually so good, so good.
It's actually very nice. We took the Oreo. It's very nice.
On every milkshake I put the Oreo ice cream. It's so good.
It's a small place, but it's very nice. And they do it so quickly also. Didn't even take much time. And it's so nice. Thumbs up. How do you do the Tawagi step? Hey, ಮಾಡ್ಬೇ ನೆನ್ಪಿಸೋದು
ಬೇಡ Sorry, I don't know.
ಅದು ಆಗ್ತದೆ Yes, guys, so we're going down to the, you know, there are extra like sauna and all that. No? So we're going to see. So we're going to see that, guys. So before that, damn.
So guys, we're going to go there, guys.
Mummy.
If it breaks, proof. Oh God, why you? Proof is that proof? Can we go in my mom's room?
Yo, why me? You turn.
I never expected we guys would have done that. I never expected to be traveling in that kind of gadi.
This is the first ever time I've done something like this.
I've always seen it in Suit Life of Karan and Kabir.
Oh.
इतनी बड़ी कंटेंट कर दिया.
So guys, this call is health club. If you go like this, you can see what and all. ಹಿಂಗೆ ಅನ್ಸುತ್ತೆ. Oh yeah, the door is there. There. Guys, we are here at the dinner. We came finally today. Yeah, and finally it's free today. Nobody's there. Nobody's there except us, our family. So I'm गोभी आलू गोभी पनीर की लगे खाली चिकन 2 प्याज Guys, round 1 soup. What is she? Hey, uncle will come and give. It's okay, day. Oh. Okay, okay. Oh yeah, done. Tomato soup, guys. Tomato soup. This is the last meal, huh? No, tomorrow is the last meal. No? This is second last meal. So now you don't identify Madhuri. This thing, seat number, table number is 18. RCB heart is very happy. Red. Oh, red. Guys, we're leaving we are actually going to the airport. I don't know why so fast we're going, Ashika. 4 hours.
4 hours checking ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕು.
Kashmir airport it's slow.
ಇದು ಬೋರ್ಡಿಂಗ್ ಪಾಸ್ ಕಳಿಸಿಲ್ಲ.
Time is 11:49.
4 ಇವಾಗ 4:30 4 hours ಮುಂಚೆ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಆಯ್ತಲ್ಲ ಇವಾಗ.
So guys, we're going. I hope you can hear this. There's Kannada song going on in the background. So tell them the flight. We're going. It's like 20 minutes from our resort. So we'll be there at like 12:10. Now it's 11:58. So we'll be there around 12:20. By that time we'll be there. That's it. And then full checking of the boat. Our flight is at 4:30. Just keep it in mind. Our luggages are here. We're going now. So guys, we came into the airport. We're actually, check-in. So we saw seats. Hers is the same in both the flights, so she has same seat, but mine is a little different. It's
Mine both is 36F. And this is 37E.
Yeah, exchange ಮಾಡಲ್ಲ ಕೇಳೋದು. Any difference in that? We'll meet you when we are sitting. We're actually at the launch. We're actually there from like 3 o'clock. And 3 o'clock? Yeah, from 3 we're there, no? Or from 2:30? Yeah, we're there from 2:30. And the time right now is 3:70. The gate which we have to enter the thing, our gate is actually 3. This is next to this lounge. So it's going to be easy for us. I'm a minor, so I still am 2 months away from getting 18, bro. But I just told her I'm a minor, and she's like, shit. That's how she's sitting.
Oh, I'm just 2 months away from June, okay?
आपातकालीन स्थिति में अपना साथ लाया सामान पीछे
We landed in Chandigarh.
Rani's dad left his phone, so we're waiting here. We're talking with the Indigo staff, and we're waiting for the phone to be back. Very bad. Guys, after getting the phone, we're here. We've stopped for. The phone illa bandu hogi bandu. Guys, we stopped for the tea, but tumba super agide. ನೀರೇ ಇಲ್ಲ, ನೀರೇ ಹಾಕಿಲ್ಲ, ಬರೀ ಹಾಲೇ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ.
ನೀರು ತರ ನೋಡಕ್ಕೆ ಆಗಲ್ಲ,
ಬರೀ ಹಾಲೇ ಹಾಕೋದು. Thick milk. Water only they've not put even like a drop of water. ಹಂಗಿದೆ ಇದು. ತುಂಬಾ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿದೆ. ಒಳ್ಳೆ ಜಾಗದಲ್ಲಿ ನಿಲ್ಸಿದೀವಿ.
It's so modern.
The button's here. We're going up to buy something like cup noodles so we can have it in the flight. Okay, so downloading now. Because they forgot to download. It's a 3+ hour flight.
आप अपने बड़े बैग्स को ऊपर वाले
Downloading now.
और छोटे बैग्स को सामने वाली सीट के नीचे रखें।
I've already downloaded.
और प्रस्थान के लिए आय को खाली
I don't have an earphone too, so I've got my father. ಕ್ಯಾಪ್ಟನ್ಸ್ ಮುಖ ನೋಡಕ್ಕೆ ಬಂದಿದ್ದಿದ್ರೆ ನಮಸ್ಕಾರ ಕೊಡ್ತಿದ್ದೆ ಗೈಸ್. ಹಾಗೆ ಕಾಲಕ್ಕೆ ನಿಜ ಓ ಮೈ ಗಾಡ್ ಲೈಕ್ ಬ್ರೋ ಅನ್ನ ಸಾಕು ಬ್ರೋ ಸಾಕು ಎಂತ ಬೇಡ. Amazing climax. Still to be continued. We're safe.